doing with that ball? What do you want to do? You don't know? I'm right here. Do you want to play ball? Oh. Okay.
She gets that from her.
Okay.
Okay. Because you say that to her. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh,
What
no.
is it?
It's a ball.
It's a ball.
Hmm.
What color? Nuh-uh.
Say go KU. I mean K-State. I
No,
forgot we
not.
like them now.
I'm not.
Now you say M-I-Z.
You got a little bit of tan.
I did.
A little bit.
My stomach